So here we have a unique situation I hope doesn't happen again. But we received a container from India of this beautiful fantasy brown. And we noticed some what appeared to be rust on the top. And what it was is the container that it was shipped in had holes in it. And some of it was hitting the top and running down through, and with that was the rust, because the containers are all iron. And this one I cleaned off, and I'll tell you what I did. And this one, you can see some of them are worse than others, but this isn't generally what it is. It's these streaks, and sometimes they ran the full distance of the slab. And here it looks like it's running at a diagonal, like it maybe got caught in the plastic or something and ran this way. And so that needs to come off. That's not natural there. Now water itself, water alone doesn't take it off. I actually tried it right there. So what we ended up using was Barkeeper's Friend. And that does take it off with not a lot of, it's some elbow grease, because first of all, they're pretty big. But we thought, well, that'll be okay, but then I did a quick search on the internet, what's the pH of Barkeeper's Friend, and it's 1.5 to 2.5, which is acidic. And that's not going to be good on this Dolomite Fantasy Brown, or any Dolomite. It'll etch it, most likely. I mean, I'm pretty sure it'll etch it. It would have to, almost by definition. It's going to attack the calcium carbonate. So what I'm now doing is cleaning them off with Barkeeper's Friend, and then I'm taking a sponge with just clear water and wiping them all down, and I'm hoping that that's going to do it. Ideally, I wish I had a hose out here, but we don't, so that's the best I can do. And you think, well, it's not a rush, we'll just do them as we need them. But the thing is, when it cools off in the warehouse and then it warms up and you get big temperature changes, you get condensation on these slabs. And that condensation is probably going to take these stains deeper. And then they're going to come out harder. So we really need to do this. We feel we need to do it right away and take care of it. So, end of the story, if you're getting a shipment, make sure they don't have holes in the top of the container. And if this happens to you, this is our solution. But it's something I never forecasted. I didn't ever think of this happening, but it happened. Okay. Beautiful stone though. So we need to clean them off and have them ready.